guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Instagram inspired makeup look. I made one before this year and I thought of doing another one before the year ends. So I'm just like trying to follow all these like Instagram baddie makeup looks. It's like full on lashes, good highlight, overlined lips. It's like kind of drag inspired makeup in my opinion. I swear to God, if I have one comment saying that I have a lot of makeup on, I'm gonna kill you. This is like a makeup channel, so when I get comments like, oh, she's wearing too much makeup, like, what am I supposed to do? Like, am I supposed to just like bake cake and like make egg sandwiches or something on this channel? Because I don't understand. I know this is a lot of makeup. If you think it's too much makeup, just like click off. Like, this isn't a cooking channel, so I'm not gonna be sitting here and like applying lip balm and like, you know, calling makeup tutorial. 3 foundations, 2 concealers, a lot of makeup in front of me and a lot of makeup on my face. Okay, so putting it out there, it is a lot of makeup. You're not gonna look like yourself. Like, the main purpose of this tutorial is to not look like yourself at the end. So I pretty much accomplished that. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So I did apply moisturizer and everything. I do have my eyebrows on. You know, they say that eyebrows are like sisters or twins. Yeah, my eyebrows, they're like, I don't know, enemies. This is like my ex and this is like loyalty. It's not like meshing together. They're not matching well. I'm just using an angle brush and cleaning up my eyebrows, and I like to use a super pale concealer. I apply like really light concealers on my eye. So once I've buffed out my concealer on my eyelids, I'm going to be using my Modern Renaissance eyeshadow palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Using the shade Tempera, which is just a basic white shade. I'm going to set my concealer and I'm bringing it all the way up till here to my brow bone, which I don't usually do, but I am going to be doing that. So I'm using the shade Golden Ochre and I'm going to be applying that where my crease is. We're jumping onto the shade Raw Sienna, which is burnt orange eyeshadow. Once we're done with that, we're going into the shade Burnt Orange and just again building up my crease shade. Once I'm done with that, I'm using my Cypress Umber shadow. It's a super dark brown and I'm just gonna dip a little bit because this is so pigmented and also it does have a lot of fallout. So you really want to be careful with this shadow. Okay, I fucked up. Look at this. And then look at this. I don't know what to do. I just want to resign from this YouTube job because I'm like tired of being judged by everyone. So if you're a dumbass like me, I would suggest skipping on this because what the fuck is going on? So I just went off camera and I tried fixing my liner. It is so sad and this is the main reason I don't do liner. I know. You don't have to tell me. I know. What the fuck? They're all in like 2 different directions. So I don't want anybody to talk shit about my liner, okay? Like, let's just like act like it's not even there on my face. I'm using these lashes. They're from Pink Little Lashes. They're super cheap. This is like a good dupe for the Miami lashes by Lily Lashes. Okay, so in the Instagram world, you need to have really big lashes. None of that Ardell natural lashes. No, you need to have big, fake, unrealistic lashes, which I actually really love wearing. So now we're gonna move on to my face. Prep Plus Prime Skin Base Primer. I don't know why I started on that, but this sucks ass. And I say this in every single video, and I feel like MAC Cosmetics are gonna sue me because I'm trashing them and still using the primers, still using their products. I really don't know why. I'm an idiot. Next, you wanna go in with a foundation that doesn't even make you look like yourself. And also, don't forget to use a clean beauty blender, girlies. You do not wanna get bacteria, fungi, yeast infection, and your X on your face. Like, you want your face to be really clean, away from all these germs. So, clean beauty blender is a must. So as you can see, this foundation looks really light, but I promise you by the time I'm probably done with this tutorial, it's going to oxidize and look super dark. And that's the thing with most of these foundations. Like, I don't get it. Like 6 hours later, my foundation, like my face is so dark and orange. Like, I don't mind it being dark. Like, it's nothing wrong in being a bit more tan and bronzy, but it's like orange. Like, oh, it looks so bad. Until this day, I still do not know how to fix oxidization. I do apply my primer and everything. Like, I apply the Benefit Professional, which is one of my favorite primers, and I still end up with like a super dark oxidized ass orange face. Like, I like my normal skin tone and you can see how light the foundation is, but I promise you, you will see it for yourself. The foundation oxidizes like 6 shades darker, which is not okay, to be honest. Like, I would pay so much money for a foundation that doesn't oxidize. So now we're going into the next stay matte but not flat foundation. This foundation, I use it just to contour. These Instagram girls have their contour, their bronzer, everything all the way up here, so we have to just kind of imitate that. I'm applying it on like my jawline, this side as well, and also a little bit on my nosy, trying to contour, bronze my nose up. And I'm using my super clean beauty sponge. I'm so busy with like university, and university, it's just started now, and it's not even that hectic. Like my classes aren't hectic. I haven't got like any assignments yet, no reports, no essays to like submit, and I'm already so exhausted. So like I can't imagine when I have to submit assignments how screwed I am. We're gonna move on to concealer. Yes, we're using the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. This is literally plastic surgery in a bottle. We're applying a lot because you don't want to look like yourself. Because right now I'm genuinely looking forward to not look like myself. So it's like really hard if you ask me, you know. So just when you thought, oh my god, sweetie, this is like cake city, we're not done. We're using another concealer. This is to brighten my under eye. I'm just gonna put like a big cross here so Jesus can like save me from this makeup tutorial. My skin is gonna die after this. Like, oh, this is so much makeup. Wow, Anncy thought she would never say that sentence, but she just did. I'm gonna go ahead and bake this. I'm using my Huda Beauty baking powder. This is the Easy Bake powder in the shade Kunafa. It's a super brightening powder. Like it brightens up your life. We're just gonna buff it in like this. There's so much oh my gosh, the smell is so overpowering in this one, but we're just gonna let this bake regardless. I'm baking my little nosy because I get really powdery there, on my cupid's bow, chin. My favorite makeup tip I've learned on YouTube has to be the whole smile lines. So if you have smile lines, just go like, and I just fill on those lines. Oh my gosh, you guys, you almost lost a YouTuber because I would have died smelling this. Like, it is so much perfume. So moving on to my lower lash line, I'm gonna be using a mixture of burnt orange, red ochre, and real gold. So once we're done with that, I'm using some mascara. This is the Essence False Lashes Mascara. Hands down, my favorite mascara from the drugstore. It's very cheap, and oh god, it makes my lashes look crazy long, crazy long. Now I look like Michael Jackson. We're like good to go. We're just gonna go in with some MAC Studio Fix powder using the same powder brush, and I'm just going to buff it in. I like doing this step right after baking so that I don't get that flashback. Because sweetie, you don't want to look like that. Trust me, it was the most embarrassing day of my life. My makeup was cute, but I had like really bad flashback, so just buff it all over. First, actually gonna contour my face using the Sleek Makeup face contour kit in the shade Dark. I have medium and dark, so I'm gonna go in with the dark and really contour my face like crazy. Can you look like someone just slapped me in the face with like some brown mud? So that's how exactly you want to contour. It has to be crazy. Trust me, you don't want to go for a natural look. My heart. This ain't no bridal makeup look, you know? So you don't want to go for the natural touch. Actually, you know what? I would look like this on my bridal day. I don't mind. Like, I don't mind looking caked up. I actually love wearing a lot of makeup, so you know, who gives a shit. So now we jump onto the blush, and I'm just gonna use my favorite blush, honestly, the MAC Peaches one. The burnt pepper really didn't look good with the makeup look, so I'm using Peaches by MAC Cosmetics, swirling in my BH Cosmetics brush. The brush is beautiful for blush. I'm applying a lot of blush. Look at the way I'm swirling in. You want to apply a lot of blush. Trust me, you don't want to apply a light layer. Then I'm going in with the baking powder, and like they do this. So we're almost done. For my highlighter, I'm using my Jeffree Star Cosmetics King Tut highlighter. I'm not really going to guide you on this. You know you need to apply a lot. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm also going to apply a lot on this side. I just contoured my nose, by the way, and it's insane. I look like I got a nose job. All I did is take like a small Sigma blending brush, and I just go on the sides, and oh my god, my nose doesn't even look like my nose. This is crazy. I usually don't like put so much effort on each feature of my face. Like, I just care about my eyes and my lips. Like, I overdraw my lips, put on like big lashes and I go about my day. But you know, like Instagram makeup, like they focus on every single feature. Your highlight, your cheekbones have to be high, your forehead has to be like super bronzy, your blush has to be all up your face. Like, you know, Instagram makeup is mainly like kind of drag makeup if you ask me. I actually like it though. Like I know a lot of people like hate it or like they don't like it, but I actually really like it. So I'm taking my NYX medium pencil liner. It's just a nude liner, you know, and I'm just gonna line my waterline with this. So now we're just gonna move on to my lips. For my lips, I'm first lining my lips with cork lip liner. So I gave myself a lip job as well. Like we have to change everything. Remember, you don't look like yourself. So I've overlined my lips a lot. Liquid lipstick, I'm using my Kylie Cosmetics Ginger Liquid Lipstick. Once we're done with that, I'm gonna go in with Jeffree Star Nathan Liquid Lipstick just in the center. And then I'm gonna top up with the Knock on Wood liquid lipstick from Dose of Colors. I'm just dotting it first, like that. And then I'm using my ring finger to just blend it out. Like I never ever in my life, I think, I've never worn out just like one lipstick and walked out of the house. I always tend to like mix 3 to 4 liquid lipsticks. So yeah, this is like the finished lip product. I feel really bad when I do that because when someone wants this lip shade, they have to like end up buying like 3 liquid lipsticks. But it's just that, you know, there isn't like much nude options for women of color, so I make like my own concoction, honestly. Oh wow, I love this lip. Like I should remember this. Kylie Cosmetics Ginger Liquid Lipstick, Nathan Liquid Lipstick from Jeffree Star, and Dose of Colors Knock on Wood. This is like beautiful. I love this lip combination. I'm just gonna use my MAC Fix Plus. I'm almost over this, and I don't think I'll end up repurchasing this because like the nozzle spray thing, it's like broken or something. But I'm just gonna spray this all over. See, it's like someone just spat on my face. Can you see that? This is the reason I hate this. Like it can like ruin my makeup look, honestly. I'm just gonna go in with a different spray. Like Jesus Christ, like look at this side, it's so bad. And look at the fine mist in this one. Can you see how good the side looks? And look, I just messed this whole contour up because of that stupid spray. Never getting the MAC Fix Plus. It honestly like ruins my makeup every now and then. I'm just gonna go ahead and use this fan just to dry out my makeup. Honestly, I love this makeup look though. I know the contour, the blush is so heavy, but it is like the drag inspired kind of a look. So this is the finished Instagram inspired makeup look. I hope you really like how this video turned out. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And bitch, I'm watching you. Better hit the damn bell so like you get notified, because YouTube is crazy with their all new notifications. Hope you really like how this look turned out. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Metro Boomin, want some more, nigga.